Hi there. So I recently purchased a UPS, a smart UPS 700 VA. I needed one for my computer. It has 3 monitors on it, as well as a Dell Precision Tower. And we typically have occasional power outages, which last maybe 2 or 3 seconds, but it shuts everything off. So I needed to get a smart UPS. So I was looking on Amazon. Right now, they're listed for $400 a piece. So I went online on eBay and I got one for $40 plus $44 shipping. With taxes, it came to about $90. And even though it said it was a working machine, I wasn't sure how good the batteries were. So I hooked it up, I got it running. In the night, it would start to beep. It said battery failure after about 1 month of use. So I purchased some new batteries. They were $34 for a pair on eBay as well, including shipping. And it was a brand, Rayon brand. Of course, it's a Chinese brand, 7 ampere hours, 12 volts. So I purchased two of them. So today I'm just going to show how to swap them out and how to save money too. Because compared to spending $400 for a new one, typically these units last many years. The biggest failure in them is the batteries. Every 2 years or so, you need to swap out the lead acid batteries. And so I decided I'll pay $100 for the unit. It gave me a month of use, and then I had to replace the batteries for another $34. And then I had to just go through the process of swapping the batteries out, and I should get another 2 years out of it. So let me show you how it's done. So right now you can see the battery is 100%. If I go into the menu and do a test, it passed. So at this point in time, the batteries seem fine, but I'm going to swap them out because I don't want to be waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. It's beeping, telling me something's wrong. So I just want to swap them out so I don't have to deal with that hassle. So the first thing you do, you need to power it off. It's going to power off in 82 seconds, so I'll be back. Okay, there we go. It's off. All right, so the first thing you need to do is pry this top cover off. Just going to move the unit forward. Okay. All right, so take this cover and put it on top of the unit, out of the way. Then you pull on these tabs. There you go. All right, and all you need to do now is to pull this. All right, and then get the replacement batteries and just swap these cables out and this connector. All right, then put the batteries back in. Make sure it aligns up with that at the end. See if I can get it to zoom in. There you go. All right, then push this in, push these back in, and put the faceplate on and power it up. So I'll be right back. Okay, so there is some double-sided tape, so you need to take a screwdriver and just pry it off. All right, so I'm just going to fit these back up onto this one. Okay, so these are the replacements. When you push it in, you'll feel it just give a small click. You won't hear anything, but you'll feel it connect down at the end. So you know it's actually connected properly. All right, so I just need to cover it up, back up, and power it on. So to get it on, the plate on, you need to pull these out and then push the plate in and then push these in. All right, so there it is, back together. So let me just power it on. All right, that should be it. Pretty simple. Took me about 5 minutes. All right, what's nice with these units now is that they have all the instructions. They have the nice display and so on compared to the ones before. So well worth it. With the smart UPS, the difference is this one has a pure sine wave output. So it's pretty good for your equipment such as your computers and cell phones and whatever else you might have. Need to back up your chargers and so on. So yeah, I would recommend this unit. And yeah, I hope this helped you. Like, share, and subscribe if it did. If you have any comments, let me know. Thanks.